Hello folks, my name is Leo Baltasar and we're here to unbox the ICA or Industry Choice Awards for Concealed Carry Pistol of the Year 2020. But before we proceed, let me introduce how I got into the world of responsible gun ownership and the sport of practical shooting. In December 2015, I was introduced into the sport of practical shooting by my good friend Dr. O.G. De La Rosa at Kelsey Ranch, Rosenberg, Texas. During that time, he was contemplating on forming a practical shooting competition for beginners and practice shooters alike. Since the open carry law was just enacted, I suggested that we named our shooting competition Open Carry Challenge. So on January 30, 2016, the Open Carry Challenge was born. As a new competition shooter, my first task was to get myself a reliable pistol. So after searching the web, I found a budget pistol that is famous for its accuracy and excellent trigger. So 10 days before the Open Carry Challenge competition, I got myself my first gun, which is Canik TP9 SA, which stands for Turkish Police 9mm single action. It's a full-size gun that comes with 2 magazines, holster, extra backstrap, cleaning kit, and mag reloader. And then that same year, November 2016, I got its bigger brother, which is the Canik TP9 SFX. This one is optics ready, and also it has a aftermarket trigger, which is a Freedom Smith, which I just installed recently. So this one is really a nice shooter, less pre-travel, plus it has a very nice trigger. And now I have the full-size gun. I have the extra long gun, which is a competition gun. Now I was eyeing for a compact gun, supposedly a Canik TP9 Elite. But fortunately, I won during the Walter Area 4 competition. I won a Walter PPQ M2, which is a compact gun. So this is really nice. So instead of getting the Canik Elite, which is the compact of Canik, I got this PPQ M2 4 inches barrel. It's nice, really nice. And now, since I already have the full size and the competition gun and the compact, now what I'm missing is the subcompact. So that's where we're going. We're gonna unbox this new Canik. This is the new case of Canik, and this is the old case of Canik. So now let's unbox the Industry Choice Awards for Concealed Carry Pistol of the Year 2020, which is the Canik TP9 Elite SC, which stands for Turkish Police 9mm Elite Sub Compact. Okay, first comes with cleaning kit, and then also it comes with the usual manual, which is what's this? Join the NRA, customize your Canik. They've gone a long way. Now you can customize Canik, and this is a nice manual. See, it's really nice quality paper manual. Also, warning assembly and warning disassembly. Now let's go to the pistol. Comes with 15 round magazine, and also the 12 round magazine, and it has an extra plate if you don't want that bigger base plate. You can use this. Also, it comes with an extra back strap. It has a locking gadget, and it has a tools to put your carry optic. This is carry optic ready. Actually, you can get it with already carry optic in it, but it's a little bit more expensive. And it comes with this nice holster. It's you can use this for IWB or OWB. It's really nice. Nice holster. Hold the gun, and now let's see the trigger. That's a little pre-travel. That's it. Reset. That's it. One more. Travel. That's it. Reset. That's it. One more. Free travel. Reset. That's it. That's a nice handgun. Color is patriot brown. It's kind of greenish, similar to the OD green, but it is darker. I like it because it's in between the green and the what do you call this? The desert color. Okay. I hope you like our unboxing. Also my introduction into the world of responsible gun ownership and the sport of practical shooting. Okay, thank you and goodbye.